Hello, beautiful girl watching me this morning. Welcome back to Engineer Toyin Fire. And I remain your person, Engineer Sariki Johnson Toyin. And I'm excited to share another powerful message with you girls today. Let me begin with this question. Can you imagine an Africa where every home has electricity? Where every child can study at night and where business can grow without depending on constant noisy and expensive generator. That Africa is possible, and one of the strongest keys to build it is renewable energy. If you're watching me for the first time, please do like, share, comment, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me hear from you, my dear girls. Let's dive into today's topic. Today's topic is renewable energy for Africa. What is renewable energy, my dear? Renewable energy is energy produced from natural resources that can be constantly replaced. These resources include sunlight, wind, water, organic waste, heat from beneath the earth, and so on. Unlike petrol, diesel, coal, natural gas, renewable resources do not quickly run out. For example, when we use sunlight to generate electricity today, the sun will still rise again. That is why renewable energy is often called clean energy and sustainable energy. It gives us the power we need today without destroying the opportunity of future generations. Africa have the resources. Africa may face energy challenges, but Africa is not poor in energy resources. In fact, Africa is incredibly rich in natural resources. We have abundant sunlight. We have strong wind in many regions. We have rivers that can generate hydropower. We have agriculture and household waste that can be converted into energy. We also have young, intelligent, and creative minds. So Africa's greatest energy problem is not simply a lack of resources, my dear. It is our ability to develop, manage, and use them effectively. The sun rises generously upon Africa. The wind blows across our land. Water flows through our river. The question is, what will we do with this gift God has given us? Why renewable energy matters to Africa? Renewable energy is not only about producing electricity, it's about transforming lives. It can improve education. Solar power classroom allows students to learn with proper lighting and use computer and digital learning tools. It can strengthen healthcare, reliable electricity, help hospitals operate equipment, regulate vaccine, and improve emergency treatment at any hours. It can support agriculture. Renewable energy can power irrigation system, water pump, processing machine, and cold storage facility. It can create employment. Young people can work in solar installation, maintenance office, manufacturing research, and create employment to electricity users. It can also protect our environment. Clean energy can reduce pollution and our dependence on diesel and petrol generators. It can empower rural communities. Renewable energy system can bring electricity to communities that are far from national grid. When energy reaches a community, opportunity flows. Business open, children study more longer, healthcare improve, communication expand, and dream become more achievable. There's no single solution that will work everywhere. Different communities require different solutions. Solar before. Solar panel converts sunlight into electricity. They can power individual homes, schools, hospitals, business, and entire community. Because Africa receives abundant sunlight, solar energy offers enormous possibility for our continent. Hydropower. Hydropower uses flowing water to generate electricity. Large dam can supply city, while small hydropower system can serve smaller community. Wind energy. Wind turbine converts movement of air into electricity. Wind energy is particularly useful in areas with strong and consistent winds. Agricultural waste, animal waste, and other organic material can be converted into useful energy like biomass and biogas, which help to produce energy while reducing waste in our environment. Mini grid. A mini grid is a small electricity network that can power a community independently or work alongside with national grid. Solar and hybrid mini grid can provide reliable electricity to rural and underserved communities. Africa does not have to wait for one enormous solution. We can build many intelligent local solutions that meet the real need of our people. Challenges we must overcome. Renewable energy has great potential and needs great effort to put in place. But progress requires serious work. Some of the challenges include the high initial cost of equipment, limited access to finance, poor maintenance practice, weak infrastructure, unstable policy, low public awareness. Installing a renewable energy system is not enough. It must be properly designed. It must use quality equipment. It must be installed by trained professionals. It must be monitored and it must be maintained. A project cannot become successful simply because it was completed. It becomes successful when it continues providing reliable energy and improve life. Africa does not need energy projects that work only during commissioning ceremony. We need a sustainable solution that continually working for many years. The roles of an engineers. Engineers have an enormous responsibility in Africa energy future. They design renewable energy system. They calculate how much electricity a community needs. They select suitable technology. They supervise installation. They test equipment. They monitor performance. They identify fault and improve existing system. But a good renewable energy engineer must think beyond the equipment. She must ask, is the solution affordable? Is it safe? Can local technician maintain it? Does it meet the community real need? Will it continue to work in the future? And how will it improve people's lives? Engineering is not only about making technology work, it's about making technology work for people. Let me tell you girls, you belong in Africa energy future. To every girl watching me today, renewable energy is not a field reserved for men. You can become a mechanical engineer, an electrical engineer, a civil engineer, an environmental engineer, a renewable energy specialist, an energy policy expert, and you can lead the institution that will provide Africa power. So do not look at African energy challenges and say, this problem is too big for me. Instead, ask, what can I learn today that will prepare me to become part of that solution? Your journey could begin with one science lesson, one engineering course, one creative experiment, one solar project and one courageous decision to believe that you belong in it. Because for too long, many people have seen electricity as something that must simply be supplied to them. But the renewable energy revolution is changing that thinking today. A household can generate electricity from his own rooftop. A farmer can convert agricultural waste into energy. A community can operate its own mini grid. A young engineer can develop an energy solution from a school or health center. You must move from being only energy consumer to become energy creator, innovate, and problem solvers. You must not only ask where will electricity come, you must also ask what solution can we create. That is the mindset presently. Yes, African energy will not build himself. It will be built by people with knowledge, people with courage, people with integrity, people who can see problem and refuse to walk away from it. Begin learning about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Ask questions. Join practical projects. Study how solar panel, battery, turbine, and mini grid works. Develop your communication skill, leadership, and problem-solving skills. And never believe that you're too young to contribute right here. And remember, Africa has the sunlight, the wind, the water, the resources, and most importantly, Africa have you. To build an Africa where clean, reliable, and affordable energy reaches every school, every hospital, every business, every community. Because what will power Africa? We power education, healthcare, innovation, we power opportunity, and ultimately we power the future. Thank you for watching. If this message inspires you, please do like this my video, subscribe to Engr Toyin and share with another girl who needs encouragement today. Until next time, keep learning, creating, believing in yourself. If your idea can help our Africa, bye for now.